This is a demo of the RFID system used on the HO scale KCS 3rd sub. You'll see how it works in operation, as seen and used by the drill job that breaks down incoming trains and classifies cars. Here you see a diagram of the drill end of the yard. There are tracks set up for cars headed to various destinations on and off the model railroad layout. The drill crew's job is to sort cars from the incoming trains onto the correct tracks based on each car's destination. Let's take a look and see how that's done. Here comes our drill team, ready to latch on to the next cut of cars and begin to break them down and sort them into the right tracks. Here we select the RD track so we can latch on to our cut of cars. Take them ahead so we can pull the cars over the reader. Time to press the Start Read button so the system will start listing the cars as they pass over the reader. Note the flashing red light atop the small equipment shed. It flashes as each car's tag is read. As the tag is read, that latest read is placed at the top of the list. That way, when it's time to sort these cars to the proper tracks, the car on the point of the cut will be at the top of the list. For each car, the system shows the railroad, the reporting marks, the type of car, what train it's coming off of or destined for, and the destination, including the track that it's to be set off on. The last car read is the KCS 1650. That car then is at the head of the cut and is destined for track 5, the Sallisaw Dodger track. And here we are spotting it on track 5 thanks to the uncoupling magnet and easy job. Since we just spotted the KCS 1650, we touch that line on the screen and it is removed, putting the SSAM 87688 up next. We see it's bound for Waldron on track 7, so we press that button to line that route. We get rid of that SSAM car and we find out the next 2 cars are going to track 8, local delivery track. So we shove back for track 8 after lining the route, and we will spot the 2 cars on track 8. Touch the next 2 cars so they disappear, and we see that the next car is going to Waldron, and we can push number 7 to line the route for Waldron. If you're interested in the hardware side of this, here's the reader track before I installed the little building. You can see that it's just a section of track with a reader hidden underneath it. The tags are little RFID capsules that go underneath the trucks in each rail car. These readers are Inovonics ID12LA readers placed under the tracks. They are connected to an Arduino with an Ethernet shield and a custom ID12 shield to simplify connecting the readers to the Arduinos. All the hardware I used can be found on the Model Railroad Control Systems website, along with links to Seth Newman's presentations on RFID and model railroading. The switch lists were all created using JMRI's Operations Pro software.